Canon PowerShot ELPH 360. The pocket paparazzi that turns rookies into pros, no degree needed. Say cheese to the camera that makes you look like a photography god, even if you still say megapickles. The Canon PowerShot ELPH 360 is the James Bond gadget of compact cameras, sleek, silent, and secretly genius. Don't let the size fool you, it's packing a 12x optical zoom, 20.2 MP CMOS sensor, and image stabilizer, which is a fancy way of saying, your blurry hand can't mess this up. Whether you're shooting sunsets, stage plays, or stealth snapping your cat in mid-derp, the ELPH 360 grabs clean, crispy, scroll-stopping shots, without needing a PhD in shutter speed. This ain't your average camera, it's a pocket powerhouse with Wi-Fi swagger. Equipped with built-in Wi-Fi and NFC, the PowerShot ELPH 360 lets you share masterpieces straight from your camera to your socials faster than your ex can text WID. No cables, no delays, no annoying apps that crash. Add the 3-inch LCD display and you've got a live preview that makes framing shots feel like playing a game and winning. You're not just snapping pictures, you're creating memories, flexing artistry, and giving your smartphone camera a much-needed break. Low light? No tripod? No clue what aperture is? You're still good. The Canon ELPH 360 features Intelligent IS, which translates to, "Don't worry, we'll fix the wobbles." Combine that with the DIGIC 4 Plus image processor, and suddenly even night shots look like magazine covers. Plus, the creative shot mode gives your pics an artistic flair automatically, so you can tell people you edit in post without ever touching Photoshop. Shooting HD 1080p videos? Easy. Capturing spontaneous moments without looking like you're filming a documentary? Even easier. Affordable enough to buy without crying, powerful enough to brag about later. Canon crams pro-level features into a camera that fits in your skinny jeans. At this price point, it's basically daylight robbery, but legal. You won't need to drop thousands on DSLR kits or mess with lenses the size of watermelons. This thing is durable, tech-tested, and ready for travel, concerts, first birthdays, and spontaneous road trips. Compared to its competition, the ELPH 360 is like showing up to a tricycle race in a Tesla, small, but mighty. So, should you buy it? Only if you enjoy epic shots, mad flexes, and never missing a moment again. Whether you're a total newbie or a casual shutterbug, the Canon PowerShot ELPH 360 gives you the tools to shoot like a pro and the smarts to make it feel easy. Its compact build, killer zoom, and stabilization magic make it ideal for travelers, parents, influencers, or anyone who likes looking back at crisp, wow-worthy memories. TLDR. It's got the zoom, the clarity, and the sauce. And it's ready to make you a legend, one snap at a time.